Yeah, I'm back. Yeah. So first of all, I would like to just give a brief entry about myself before going to the course content. Okay.
Oh,
So
okay.
before I'm starting, could you please just give me brief about yourself?
Okay. Thanks. I know I have experience in mostly in database like Oracle, then C, C++,
Mm-hmm.
some SQL Server. Um, I think that's mainly I was Oracle DB and developer, and right now I'm handling one application, healthcare application called Epic. So I've been with almost 25 years experience.
Thomas, your voice is a bit low.
Oh, really? Can you hear
Yeah,
now?
I
Can
can
you hear?
hear you, but it's too low. It is.
Oh, really? Maybe
Yeah,
I can call him on the phone. 1 minute.
yeah,
Can you hear now? Can you
yeah.
hear me?
Bit better now.
Oh, okay. Okay. So I have almost 25 years experience, and then mostly initially I was working C and C++, and then I changed to Oracle DBA and then Oracle developer. Then right now I'm handling an Epic application called healthcare. It's a healthcare EHR software. So I'm handling the ETL on that one. So that's my role.
Okay.
Last 10, 15 years, I'm basically it's on the Oracle and some SQL Server also, some not completely, but
Mm-hmm.
managing Oracle and SQL Server and then the Epic software too.
Got it. So how much you good at SQL with hands-on?
Hands-on, I, I think I can write because I was in Oracle SQL. I know I can handle it, but SQL also, I can handle it, but I'm not that fully expert, but
Mm-hmm.
maybe average.
Got it. Got it. Sure. So I will just introduce about myself and my technical skills.
Okay.
I have 5+ years of experience in data engineering and data analytics. I'm
Okay.
currently working as an architect for Power BI, Microsoft Fabric, and Azure entire ecosystem. So
Okay.
I was expertise in tools like my Fabric, Power BI, complete admin level, like an architecture end to end. Azure,
Okay.
ADF, ADB, Power Platform like Power Apps, Power Automata, and Python automations and custom tool building. So this is where I was
Okay.
expertise in. So we will
Okay.
explicitly provide training for students like you who are interested in Power BI end-to-end learning of from architecture to development, everything, and then Microsoft Fabric as well.
I think my goal is mostly for Fabric, but you know,
Exactly.
yeah, because our Epic software, I think in the backend is Oracle and SQL Server. They are planning to move it to
Mm-hmm.
Microsoft Fabric.
Got it. So it's
So
like
I
a
wanted,
migration project you were talking about, right?
yeah. That then later, we want to, I think it's almost starting in 3 months, like Fabric conversion. So I wanted to know like
Uh-huh.
mostly Fabric and get certified in Fabric also.
Got it. Got it. I will make sure that will happen. So
Okay.
majorly from Oracle, they're migrating or only reporting they're doing in the Power BI or some Fabric, something like that. Yeah, on that
I
part?
No, I think they are initially our basic goal is like they are. I think the Microsoft Fabric. I think it's like a Parquet file, right? I think that is one coming, and then
So
we
they're
may need
completely
to.
migrating the database you are saying then.
Yeah, they are completely migrating the database. Then we will have some. I think ADF or something like that. Same like I
Mm-hmm.
think a data factory, some data factory or something. I need to know that
Uh-huh.
one, and then maybe if I can get a Power BI also, that's fine. But main goal is I need to get some certification in Microsoft Fabric admin
Got it.
level.
Okay, got it. So there is a certification DP600. You can easily able to clear it once this course is completed. We'll give you the proper material for that, and then like how to crack that one. Also, we'll try to guide you on that part. Okay.
Okay.
Now coming to the training
Also,
part. Yeah.
also what about the data ADF, right? Yeah, Azure Data Factory or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
That also cover this one, right?
Yeah. So this is they have mentioned that explicitly, like we have 1 month of training which is dedicatedly created for you. Okay,
Uh,
especially majorly focusing on all the Microsoft Fabric aspects. Now, why I'm
uh,
connecting with you now is I just want to understand what is your expertise in what kind of areas, so that we can
yeah.
tweak the course which we have already prepared. Okay.
Okay,
So
okay,
according
okay,
to if you are saying that you are good at SQL and data warehousing concepts, we'll try to skip that part and we'll try to add few more things which will help you in the gain more knowledge on the fabric side.
okay. Then
Yeah.
also I did some SSIS, not an expert, but basic one.
Understood. No worries. So we'll try to cover that part also. So ADF you want and Databricks you don't need to go in deep on that, right? So you just need we just need to showcase how these Databricks are implemented in Fabric. That's what I got to know based on your
Oh,
expertise.
okay. Databricks also?
Yeah, Databricks in the sense, in Microsoft Fabric, we'll create a notebook. There is no separate
Okay, okay,
Databricks
okay,
concept
got it.
here.
Okay,
So
okay,
that notebook, we will just open the notebook and showcase all the options, how it is different from Databricks, something like that.
okay, 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 got it. Thank you.
Okay. I'm just sharing my screen. Okay.
No, because I also did one certification in Databricks, but
Uh-huh.
I didn't get a chance to work because our role, initially they were planning to put me in the Databricks, but it didn't happen. So I did
Mm-hmm.
one certification, but I didn't work too much.
Got it. So this is you can able to see my screen, right?
Yeah, yeah,
So this is the structure we have prepared, and this is not
yeah,
like an final version. You can say it's like an basic version which we have come up with. Now it's up to you. You feel like these are the concepts I already know. If you want us to remove, we'll remove it. And if you want to know in specific few more things of fabric, if you want to
yeah.
add us on those aspects, we are happy to do that. Okay.
Okay,
But
okay,
he's like because I'm interacting with you on the first time, right? So we have
yeah,
created like an basic to intermediate level of course. So for the any
okay,
student who can able to learn the fabric from the basic, even if we don't know anything about it.
okay, okay. That's good.
Yeah. Now, coming to the fundamentals part, we will discuss on the Microsoft Fabric purpose and why it is different from Azure Synapse, and then what is the Power BI, why they integrated everything into a single line. Those basics introduction we'll do, and Fabric architecture, what is one layer, supported file formats, etc. We'll discuss. Workspaces and capacities, these are all stuff we will discuss here. And you
Okay,
can see AWS Gen 2 also is there, which is recently they have, for not AWS Gen 2, Data Flows Gen 2, which they recently implemented for specifically for Fabric only. Okay.
okay,
This is the fundamental course. And then coming to the Lakehouse and data engineering, Lakehouse basics, exploring the Lakehouse, creating a Lakehouse and notebooks creation, delta tables, what is meant by delta tables, just highlighted the point at Parquet file that we
okay,
will discuss. And Medallion architecture, what is Medallion architecture, why we need to implement it, and how can you implement in Fabric. And SQL endpoints and Lakehouse, like querying the data using in Fabric. The beautiful thing is if you're comfortable with SQL, you can directly use in SQL endpoint and you can write your SQL queries. If you are
okay,
if you are very much interested in PySpark and if you want to write code in Python, you can create a notebook and you can write it in Python itself, something like that. So we have that
okay,
flexibility. We
okay,
will introduce all those concepts also. Okay.
okay,
And then once it is done, I'm connecting Power BI to Lakehouse and try to pull some basic reporting on how it will create it, etc. Digital is going to cover it. Yeah. Okay.
okay,
And next part is next phase three, warehousing and real-time analytics. Like we have Fabric data warehousing, loading data into warehouse. Warehouse is nothing but this SQL
yeah,
DB will create right in an
yeah,
SSMS and
okay,
also same concepts
okay,
we have,
same,
and we
okay,
also and real-time analytics is also there. There is a concept called event house and event stream overflow. So if you are using a data like a kind of stock, something like that,
okay,
so
oh,
how we can able to pull the data further, we will try to set up a demo for that if not possible, but we will try to explain you the complete details what it is and how it will be helpful for you. Okay.
okay,
It's a bit tough to set a demo for this, but we will try to check on this part event streams because we
okay,
need continuous data for this. We need to figure
okay,
it out on that. And the next
okay,
one is KQL. This is a Custo query language that it's like a majorly look like a combination of DAX with SQL, something like that. Okay. No, the
Oh,
other
that
part is
last one. Which one? Which one is that? Oh, that KQL.
yeah.
Oh, I never heard about it.
You know SQL, right?
Yeah.
It's a combination of SQL with the English language, something like that, you can say.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Basic demo will try to give you, because you are going to learn Fabric, right? So you need to
Yeah.
understand what are all the components at least are available and what is the use of the particular component.
Okay. Okay.
So we will always try to go through each and every concept. Maybe we won't be able to give you the 100% what is the use of it and complete
Okay.
training on that particular tool, but at least once you completed with this course, you can be able to familiar with, if there is an option coming on the Microsoft Fabric, at least you know what is this option, something like that.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
And we will majorly focusing on, as you mentioned, you are migrating from one environment to the other environment. What may be the tools which your team is using? Those things we will be majorly focusing on, and we will try to highlight those things. We will go in deep and hands on doing on those aspects. Okay.
Okay.
And coming to the Power BI, how much you are good at Power BI? Did you work on the Power BI before, something like that?
No. No.
No.
I work on crystal reports and some other some other kind of reports, not Power BI.
Okay.
Tableau also a little bit, yeah, but not Power.
Okay. Then I guess majorly you are good at on SQL and data warehousing concepts, right?
Yeah.
Do we no need to go into star schema, snowflake schema, what is dim, what is fact, etc. These details, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then we'll do that part. So Power BI wise, we will give you an introduction about what is Power BI desktop
Maybe,
service.
yeah, maybe a small report or something I can write so that I will be
Yeah,
familiar with,
we have
because
added the
we
course
have
wise
a team
only.
of
Mhm.
Power BI people, so that
Okay.
I think basically we need to support too.
Yeah, that's why we already added the Power BI course itself. What is reporting schemas, modeling, how to do calculated columns,
Okay,
measures, everything we have added. But
okay,
now I will share this with you so that you can go ahead, and if you know these concepts, you highlight those ones. And if you feel like I want to add these columns, sorry, these topics to be included here, we are happy to do it.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
Because it's not like an you don't know anything and we are providing training, right? Here you already
Yeah,
familiar with something and you have some experience. At the time, why to waste our time on the basic
yeah.
concepts which you already
That's
familiar with?
that's true.
Yeah. Yeah. I guess
Then
with this we are good.
then
Now, if you have any questions.
you will have an environment, right? I can play around, right, for some time.
Yeah, the team will create the environment for us, so where we can work
Okay,
on it and we can create the connections and we can play around with.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
One more thing is, is it a DP 700 or DP 600 is the exam something?
It's DP 600 we're going to write first of all.
Okay, okay. What
Yeah.
is 700? I don't, did I?
700 is, I guess, it's more majorly focusing on data engineering part. I just need to
Okay,
check on that. There are multiple namings they have changed it now. I didn't remember exactly, to be honest.
okay,
Yeah, but TB
okay,
600, I was very much familiar with. I have completed the certification also, where
okay,
they will introduce all the basic concepts of Microsoft Fabric and each and every
okay,
tool. What is the use of it? All these details will be part of it.
okay, okay.
Yeah. Any questions?
No, thank you.
Cool.
What is your
Sure, I
name?
will. My name is Akhil.
Akhil, okay.
Yeah, and the training, like who is going to cover is Ganesh will come and he will able to clear you the same thing, whatever the training which I am talking about. He is the one who is taking
Okay,
care of it. Okay.
okay,
Yeah, and you can also reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns regarding the training part. Okay.
okay.
He is
What,
like same. He also have 5+ years of experience on the same part. He's also very much good at Sigma computing, Snowflake, etc., etc. Apart
okay,
from the Power BI and these tools, whatever I have talking
okay,
about. Cool then. I will send you this file. You can come up with your changes if you have any.
okay,
Otherwise, we can proceed with the same. Okay. Thank
okay.
you.
Then, okay, then we need to schedule the timing, right? Something like that, right?
Yeah, I guess they said it's up to you, right? When you want to start, you are ready to do it. But at least
Okay.
just give me 1 week or 2 weeks of time prior to it so that we can able to come up with proper setup on.
Do you know what time you are better or something like? Because I may be good in night time here because you're morning time,
At
right?
what time, night time, you are in which time zone now?
I'm in Pacific PST. I'm
Oh,
now 8, 9, 9, almost getting 9 p.m.
that means 12.5 hour difference will be there for us.
Yeah. So
Then probably we need to connect it. Just let me know when you can able to connect. So is it like a 9
yeah,
a.m.
yeah,
Sorry,
that's
9
yeah.
a.m. your time, something like that. So according to
Okay.
that, we need to plan on that also.
Yeah, yeah, no, no, that I'm okay. But I'm saying like a morning will be busy because going to office and everything.
Understood. So that means your morning you are busy, right? That means the
Yeah, my
night means
morning.
our morning we need to connect.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Cool.
The-
Got. And at what time you will sleep? Sorry to ask this question to just
No,
check on
no,
that. Your
I can go at 10, 10:30. Yeah, that's fine.
mm, cool.
Or
I'll check on
anytime.
the trainer and then I will let you know on this part. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So
So how many days maybe we need to connect weekly or
currently
something?
we have set up this for 1 month.
Yeah,
So
one month, 5 days.
we are not going to advance, right? So it will be like very much introduction to intermediate level of training on that. So that's
Okay,
why we have planned it for 1 month. That too Monday to Friday only working hours.
okay, okay,
And there is a chance of 1 or 2 days or like at least 4 to 5 days move front and back. And maybe
okay,
sometimes you won't be available or sometimes trainer won't be
okay.
available, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
and it's also depends if you have urgency and if you want to complete it ASAP also trainer is ready to give 2 hours of sessions and if you will be able to complete it quickly, so it's completely we will give you the flexibility to you only the trainer, the candidate,
Okay,
so it's up to you. Okay.
okay,
Yeah.
okay. Thank you, Akhil.
Yeah, thank you, Thomas. I just need
Okay,
to drop for one more call. Sorry for that. If you have any questions, just reach out to him so he will come back to me. Okay.
okay. Yeah, I'm chatting with Ganesh, right, or something like that.
Motion, I'm not sure whom you are
Oh, because
contacting. Motion is the one who is schedule a call with us today. He's in the call.
I don't know who is that. I didn't get the name, but yeah, but
Okay,
I'll ask him. Okay,
sure. Whoever you are reaching out, you can reach out the same candidate. They will redirect to the respective person who is in touch with me. Okay.
okay. Thank you.
Cool. Then. Thank you so much. Have a great
Okay,
day.
bye, bye.
Bye.